Hey guys, so I was coming to Walmart to buy some food and I decided let me just stop by real quick Walmart's garden center, not expecting to find anything. And guys, they have a good selection here. This is a little bit cheaper here. It just poured over here, so that's why they're soaked. But these are $3.74. So before you go shopping anywhere else, check your Walmart real quick, because you can get some really nice plants. Here's a Pomadonis, $3.74. That is a huge plant for $3.74. These are all, I believe, going to be $3.74. Yep. And then, so they have these in this section, and then they have some really cute ones over here. And their arrangements too are, I believe, they're pretty reasonable. I think those are at least 10, and these just came in. You can tell that not the price is not good. They're charging you for the pot, but these are $3. Super cute. That's another Pomadonis. These are not going to have any names, and I don't know what that one is. Some Horthias, just a lot of different. Here, I know this is definitely Pomadonis because I know the tips. It's a really cute plant. So $3. That is really good. You got some cactuses here as well for $3. Look, an Echeveria Black Knight. I got some dominoes. Super cute. I don't know why they look a little pale in color, but they are firm, and these are not soaked because they're over something. So I guess that's just their green because they're not getting lots of sun, so they're a little pale. But let me show you the little arrangement. This is, I believe, a good price too, because you're getting 3 plants for $7 and a cute pot. So that's a good deal. That is definitely a good deal with these. Look at this one. This one is like a really unique one. I don't have this, so that's really nice. Very nice arrangements in there. Super cute for $7. All these are $7. All of them. Even this cute one right here is $7. You get 2 plants, but you get a really cute pot. That's cute. And look, this one is the one that I was showing you guys. That's cute. I never seen that one over there. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Check your Walmart and see what they got. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye guys. Have a blessed day.